I'm ready. Time to go. Have my boots on. Close. Anyway, let's go. Guys, we're going to the zoo. arrived at the mall, the same mall that we were at yesterday. Alright guys, so we just finished eating and that food was good. Not gonna lie, now we're going to the arcade. Okay guys, so we just finished playing at the arcade and I got this from my little brother and like a mini ring and a necklace and bubbles for my sister, and because we got like 639 tickets, so we bought all of that. And now we're going. Alright guys, we're arriving to our hotel now. Okay guys, so now we are at the hotel and it is now 7:30. I'm gonna be making bracelets. I love you forgot how to make Okay guys, so let's figure this out together. So I think you put the two fingers like this, and then you grab another one like this, and you turn it over. Sinaikon to si Kaki.